Alrighty, so we are reviewing international Etsy stores, and we're talking about what they're doing well, what they could be doing better, and what they could do to expand their sales a lot. Right here, we're looking at PrintAdventures3D in Saskatoon, Canada, 48 sales, good start for a new store. You have a header, that's fantastic. Long term, you can use the header to share your website URL because Etsy doesn't really like that inside of listings. So the header can be refined there. The items you have about 11 items, a little low. You generally want to get up to about 20 or so, but that's fine. The items themselves, okay, so you got some vases, some keychains, Xbox controllers, so kind of just a mix match of 3D printed items. If you can, try to target them towards a particular area. You want to be in a niche so that all of your listings kind of feed on each other. When one's a vase and one's a keychain, Etsy's like, you sell stuff. We don't know who to show you to. But if you find something that's really good, that can help. Looks like the item that is doing the best right now is this Canadian cart coin thingamajig that 9 people have, which looks great. And it's, quite frankly, the fact that you're going Canadian with it is probably part of the value of it. So harping in on that niche, of that focus, of that keyword, Canadian stuff would probably do you well. But let's go ahead and look at this item. Alrighty here. So you have a keychain attached to it. If possible, you would want to try to eliminate that because it's just a hassle to put into stuff. Okay, holds the coin, cart coin stuff, KKKKK. Let's see, a lot of colors. You don't really need this many colors. I wouldn't recommend it. You can have them, but it's more effort than it's worth. Most people don't need every color of a cart key coin thing. Let's see here. For your title, don't put free shipping in the title. No one cares and it doesn't help you in the title. Vibrant colors also doesn't really help. The title is for SEO terms. So you want cart coin tool, cart coin gadget, get your shopping cart fast tool, something like that. As many things as people would search to find your item, that's what you want in the title. The thumbnail looks good. You might go with more color in it, like one of these, because that draws more attention. But the white is just fine. If you could get a white background with like the blue, that'd be even better because it pops off the page from a whole bunch of other listings. Let's see here. Pricing is fine. I'd probably go for like $5. Generally on Etsy, don't really want to sell stuff for under $5 just because there's so many other fees and things. And people shopping on Etsy have no problem paying $5 for stuff. Description. Ooh, the description is excellent. That's a very good description. Good work. Shipping 1 to 2 business days. You're shipping fast. Good. It doesn't ship to the United States. Oh, you're missing out on the U.S. states. I mean, this is an item that's a lot of states don't use because we don't have quarters and stuff here. But if you have items that you want to sell in the United States, so you get access to 150 million more consumers, what you could do is you could create a plugin so you don't have to deal with international shipping and all the costs that comes with that and slow down. It messes with your customer experience. But if you want to ship inside the United States without having to ship to the United States, you can use the Slant 3D plugin, connect it to your store, create a US listing for this thing, and then you upload the file and say any of these orders, Slant 3D, print and ship. Then when an order comes through for US order, it will be printed and shipped inside of the United States. So you can still have free shipping, you can still have normal pricing, and people inside the States can get your item very quickly without having to pay international shipping fees and wait for international shipping. So all of that stuff can be better. So you might look at that plugin. It also allows you to get a lot more listings because you don't have to worry about running your own print farm because you get access to hundreds of 3D printers just on your own. But other than that, all looks pretty good. I would say increase prices, and then not that homepage. Increase prices, and then get some more items. Main layout is fine. Thumbnails are really good. That's a really good thumbnail. Like, yeah, do that for this Canadian cart coin thing, and then a few more listings, and then yeah, increase prices. Those are the main ones. Oh, free shipping. Make sure you have free shipping on everything. Free shipping bumps you up and gives you this beautiful little blue tag that people are looking for that gives them a little dopamine hit of like they're getting a deal. So you want to use that. But other than that, looks good. Keep up the good work. Kaylin, I hope I'm saying that correctly. Kaylin DuBois. Have a good one.